Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to talk about creating a customer experience which is based on empathy during this particular pandemic of COVID-19. Now we know that manufacturing companies are operating in extremely challenging situation in this particular pandemic. They're dealing with multiple challenges at the same time. So on one hand, they're trying to deal with safety concerns of their employees. They are also trying to deal with supply chain disruptions. They're also trying to deal with financial stress. They're also trying to deal with reduced demand or volatile demand. So these are all multiple challenges that companies are facing. Given this particular context, what is it that manufacturing companies can do to create a customer experience which is based on empathy during this particular time? So I would say that there are four particular aspects that manufacturing companies should focus on creating a special customer experience. What are these four factors? So the very first factor is to ensure that there is safety in the products that you supply and also the technical service, any service that you may be providing. So what do I mean by safety? Now we have to ensure that products which are being supplied to our customers, there is minimal touch with the products as well as with people while delivering these products. The second aspect is about providing service. Now many companies actually depend on technical service from their suppliers to ensure that their production actually runs smoothly. And therefore manufacturing companies should ensure that this technical service is available online in a reliable manner. So that's the first particular point, to ensure that there is no spread of this particular pandemic during the supply of our product, of the products of the manufacturing company or any service that is being provided. There is absolute safety that is ensured for our customers. That's one of the biggest concerns today that customers have. The second aspect is about innovation of products. Now we've seen during this pandemic how some companies have changed their products. So for example, distilleries have shifted the supply of their ethanol to sanitizer manufacturing companies. We've seen automotive companies getting into production of ventilators and those equipment which actually help in breathing. Chemical companies are increasingly shifting their product portfolio to those chemicals which go into personal protective equipment, which go into sanitizer manufacturing and to other health and safety products which are seeing a surge in demand during this particular pandemic. So the second aspect is about innovating products and shifting product portfolios to where the demand of customers might be shifting. The third aspect is supply chain disruption. Customers are extremely concerned about the kind of supply that they can get of products. Now on one hand, they're dealing with demand fluctuations or reduced demand, and when they get the orders, they have to also then ensure that there is supply being met for their customers. And therefore it becomes extremely important for manufacturing companies to ensure that their customers, that their supply requirements are fulfilled, and they must ensure a very close contact with their customers to see what kind of demands are getting generated by the customers, and to then ensure that there is a supply chain which is meeting those expectations. So supply chain assurance is the third very important factor. And the fourth and an extremely important factor is the financial stress that many customers are facing in these times. Now we know that the income and cash situation of many customers is undergoing a very stressful time, and therefore manufacturing companies should ensure that for their key customers they are providing flexible financial options such that customers can come out of this difficult time without any significant financial hiccups. These four factors are extremely important in ensuring that the customer experience that is being seen by the customers of the manufacturing companies is empathetic. These times are not about meeting unstated desires. These times are about ensuring that the essential needs of the customers are met. Ensuring these four particular factors will ensure that there is a long lasting connect with the customers that manufacturing companies can build. This is Umesh Sharma signing off. See you in my next video. Thank you.